Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
Today we actually are doing a video where we're going to ask you, our viewers, for help.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so we are considering making some changes to our YouTube lineup. And so we wanted to ask your opinions on some of our videos. To be honest, some of our views have gone down drastically on YouTube. Now, it always goes down in January and February anyway, but our views have gone down like by half. So, so what we want to see is if maybe it's time to make some changes to our content, which is fine. I think you always have to be willing to grow and change on YouTube. When you see things aren't interesting anymore, then maybe it's time to make a few changes to freshen up your content a little bit. Mm-hmm. So that's what we want to talk about, is how we might want to go about making those changes to freshen up the content a little bit. All right, so let's get started.
All right, so first, we know after we added a fourth video, a Thursday video, that our views dropped. So what we're wondering is, would you rather see fewer videos that are a little longer, or more but short videos? So would you rather see fewer videos that are longer or more videos that are shorter? Yeah. If that makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, we see both types in the frugal type videos or the frugal channels, where there are some frugal channels that have a couple of really medium-sized to longer length videos that do really well, but we also see channels that do a video every single day and they're really short and they get right to the point, and those also are doing really well. So that's why we're kind of curious, like, would you rather see the short ones more often? It would never be every day for us. I can't figure out how they do that. I don't have that kind of time. Or would you rather see a little bit longer videos that might go through a couple of different topics or type of thing, as long as it's not any fluff? Would you rather see the videos a little longer, but just fewer, maybe 2 or 3 videos per week?
Yep.
Instead of multiple shorts?
Yep.
Yeah.
See, we want to be respectful of your time. We could go back to 3 videos a week, but we also could possibly decrease it to 2 videos a week, but with longer content, with a caveat that still be focused on the content, no fluff, which we try to do no fluff in our videos. So
that's right. And we're going to explain some options with the 2 or 3 videos as we go on. So just bear with us. We'll get to that.
Okay.
All right, so let's talk about our grocery haul videos. Now, we know, and let's be honest, our grocery haul videos are pretty much the same video every week. We know that. Like, we buy Cheetos and Pringles almost every week. We know. Mm-hmm. You know, yeah. So what we want to know from you is, do you want us to continue doing those grocery haul videos every week, or would you rather us maybe like just do once a month video where we show different things that we bought throughout the month with grocery saving tips in that video? You know, like, you'd still see everything that we bought, but you wouldn't see us stop at every single thing in the store. So it wouldn't be like an outrageously long video if it was just once a month, but it would hit the highlights of what we think are good ways to save money. Mm-hmm. But you'd still get the whole, like, we might show everything on the counter and quickly just show it to you and the total, but you would only see in the store the things that we felt like were really important things to know about how to save money in the grocery store. And then on those other weeks, we might have videos where we show us meal planning, or going through our pantry or freezer, anything else that we felt like was frugal videos that could go there might be on Mondays, instead of it being straight just grocery haul videos.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So what we want to know from you is, would you rather see those grocery haul videos every single week, or would you be okay with us just doing them once a month and then filling in with other types of videos on the other Mondays?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so let's talk about the recipe of the week video. Basically, we've kind of gotten to a weird place that you've seen all the videos, all the meals we eat, pretty much. So there's some weeks there's really nothing to vote on unless we meal plan try something new, which we try to do, but sometimes it doesn't come in every week. So especially on the fill-in haul weeks, we don't really have anything to vote on because pretty much our meals are already set for that week because we're just filling in for certain things. Yeah, but maybe once or twice a month we'll do recipe videos that are try something new, and then on the other weeks we'll do either what's for dinner videos like what we ate the whole week, or combo recipes like 3 great breakfast recipes or 10 freezer meals for summer, whatever. Because everybody's only going to summer. You just need something you can pop in and pop out and be done.
Yep.
So maybe things like that. So that would be if we kept 3 videos per week. So if we went with 2 videos per week, the recipe videos would be connected to the current Monday videos as a part of the meal planning. So that's when you would really start to see those.
Yeah.
But in either case, we'd love to see your comments, comment recipes you'd like for us to try. We always love the challenge.
Yeah. Like we just did feijoada. It was really cool trying that out.
Yep.
So we will still take requests and do those videos. They would show up like our try something new recipe videos. They would be in that category. So again, let us know, would you rather see the recipe of the week video continue just like it is, or would you like to see it like just 2 times a month with some other stuff on the other ones, or would you like to see us absorb that into the Monday video and the meal planning videos, that type thing, so that we can shorten it to 2 longer videos instead of 3 or 4 short ones? Okay. All right, so let's go on to our next question. For the Frugal Fit Friday videos, we know that you're not that interested in our goal videos. A few of you are, but some of you aren't. Our views tell us that it's not that interesting. But we do those for accountability. We really do them for ourselves. We know that we won't get as many views on those. So we don't want to just get rid of them. So what we thought was we could absorb our 2 goal videos back together, just the 2 of us, talking about our health goals, so that it's just 1 video instead of 2. And then, but our budget goal, we'll get to our budget goals later. They will still stay in a separate video. But so that would be only one Friday where we actually did a goal video, and then the other Fridays, if he's running a race, he might do a separate video on his race. So that would be 2, and then the other ones we would fill in with other frugal type videos. That is if we stay at 3 videos per week. If we went down to 2 videos per week, again, we'd have Monday where we had the grocery hauls and meal planning and recipe videos and occasional frugal videos. I think that we would move our Wednesday video off to Thursday. And then on Thursday, that would be frugal videos, straight, just frugal videos. And then on occasion, well, not on occasion, but the first of the month, you would see the goal video on the Friday. So on occasion, or once a month, I guess you'd say, you'd get 3 videos instead of 2. But the rest of the month, you would get 2 only on Monday and probably Thursday. So you'd get If you did the 3, you'd still get Monday, Wednesday, Friday like you always have, and there would be frugal videos mixed in, you know, like either on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, you would see a frugal video, hopefully at least once a week. If it was 2 times a month, then it would be Monday and probably Thursday. And Monday would be more of that grocery haul recipe videos, meal planning. And then Thursday would be only frugal content. And then Friday, you'd have a bonus video once or twice a month, the goal video, and if he's running a race.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, of course, our shout-outs video isn't going anywhere.
Yeah.
We only do that once a month. So, basically, what we're asking you on this one is to comment down below. Let us know, would you rather see the 3 separate videos, or would you rather see the 2 Monday and Thursday with bonus videos on Friday? That would only be like once or twice a month on the bonus videos. Yeah. So that was that. And then let's see. Our final question for you is just on timing. Like I just mentioned, maybe if we did 2 videos a week, we would do Monday and Thursday. Is Thursday good to you? According to our analytics on our YouTube account, our analytics are showing that most of our viewers are actually on Thursday afternoons, more so than on Wednesday. So there might be more people who are available to view on Thursday afternoons than on Wednesday, but I wanted to ask you your opinion. Do you think Thursday is a better day for you? If we did 2 per week, Monday and Thursday. So let us know down in the comments. The big questions is 2 or 3 videos per week. It's early in the morning. Anyway, would you rather see 2 or 3 videos per week? Anyway, that's just some ideas. We also want to make sure that whatever we put, we leave it on a Wednesday and we don't have a recipe of the week video every week and it's a what's for dinners and stuff like that, that we're providing content that you're actually interested in there too. No matter which one it is, if it's 2 videos per week or 3 videos per week, we want to make sure that it's content you're actually interested in seeing. So that's why we really need your help in answering these questions. And I hope we didn't make them too confusing.
Yeah. And we're probably still going to create shorts videos like we've been doing. But we understand if you guys don't watch them, that's fine. That's just out there so we can try to see if we can get more viewers in. And
yeah, if you're not familiar with how they work, if your short video ends up on what they call the short shelf, it could be discovered by people who didn't even know that you had a channel. Yep. So that's really the purpose in doing the short videos most of the time, is just for people to go, oh, that's an interesting shorts video. I want to go see who that is. And then they come to your channel and hopefully subscribe and get to know you better. That's really about discoverability. If you watch it and you thumbs it up or comment on it, it helps YouTube to decide whether it wants to put it on the short shelf. But it's really about the discoverability on those. What we really, appreciate from you is that you watch our main videos for sure and all that kind of good YouTube-y stuff. Yep.
So let us know what you think in the comments.
It will take us a couple of weeks probably to decide what, how to move forward, because we'll be waiting for your comments and then making a decision. So it'll probably be at least April before you see any changes to the channel lineup.
All right, so also be sure to go and check out this video here where we share the price comparison between Aldi and Walmart. You might be shocked at the results. And that's going to do it today for Long Run Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.